Okay, and we're moving on to our clothing now for the Fish River hike. It's a 5-day hike, so we need clothing for 5 days, but we're obviously not taking 5 sets of clothes. So I have a dry bag here, which is an 8-liter Sea to Summit. These bags are very expensive, so we often use, just to group our clothing, we use Ziploc bags. I've got a beanie, a buff, a Hydro Cool, which you put water on, soak it in water, and you put it around your neck if it's really hot. And all you do when it starts getting warmer, you just take it and shake it, and it cools down again. A pair of gloves, just in case it's cold. I've got a high-tech jacket, which is something new that I've bought. Really excited about trying this out. A belt, 2 pairs of pants with Ziploc pants on one. I use Speedos instead of underpants because I can swim in them. They dry quite quickly. And I don't have to carry extra clothing for swimming in. 3 pairs of socks. I've got a long sleeve quick dry shirt and 2 short sleeves. I've got a first ascent hat, wide brim hat, so that it can keep the sun off your nose and face and ears. These are something new that we're trying out. They're coalfoot shoes. We've just got them recently. We haven't tried them yet. But we're going to try these instead of slops or rockies. They've got rubber soles. You can walk with them in the water, on the beach. You can run with them, do whatever you want with them. So something new to try out. We'll let you know how that goes. Homemade gaiters that Jess has made for us to keep the sand out of the boots. I've recently bought these high-tech boots. They're really great. Probably the most comfortable shoes that I've bought so far. They've got grip for pulling uphill, for slowing downhill, side grip, so they've got grip all around on the bottom, nice ankle protection, and yeah, as I say, they're really comfortable boots. That's from my side. My kit, Jess's kit, is maybe a little bit more. She's got a Cape Storm wide brim hat. She gets really cold, so she's got this K-Way down jacket that she's taking with, also very light. A sarong, which is quite useful in many ways. She can use it to dry herself, or I can hold it up for her if she wants to change. There's a few places where you can change privately, so that'll help, and you also don't want to walk miles to change. Even just wrap it around yourself, so that's quite a handy item. She's got a normal Johnson's raincoat, panties, sports bras, and her bikini bottoms. Instead of taking a bikini top as extra weight, if she's going to swim, she's just going to use a sports bra and a bikini bottom. Her dry bag is a 12-liter dry bag. As usual, ladies take a bit more than us men do. Mine's a 8-liter. Then she's got a pair of gloves, also the buff, the Hydro Cool, as I mentioned just now, beanie. She's got 3 pairs of socks. She's also got her pair of coalfoot shoes, a little bit more fancy than mine, but we're going to try them out and see how they go. Also homemade gaiters to keep the sand out of the boots. She's also recently bought these high-tech boots which are waterproof, as you can see there. They're nice and light. They've got decent tread on them. Ankle protection. So yeah, also another new pair of high-tech shoes that we're trying out, or that Jess is going to try out. Then she's got 3 sets of clothes. All quick dry shirts, and she prefers ski pants because they're just more comfortable to walk in, and will dry a lot quicker if they get wet. So 3 pairs of clothes. And just to mention that it's a 5-day hike. She's got 3 sets of clothes, I've got 2 sets of clothes, but we are going to wash along the way. So with quick drying shirts and pants, in the Fish River Canyon, it's very dry there. There is water, but very dry, so you can wash in the afternoon, and by the next morning your clothing should be dry. And that is how we're going to go with the clothing. So for our medical kit and our toiletries, this is how we're going to go. We've got some pain tablets, nausea, diarrhea. We've got Allergex tablets, anti-inflammatories, some Rennies. I get heartburn every now and then. Actizone, a bunch of different plasters, some antiseptic cream, chafing cream. These could probably be in smaller, decanted into smaller containers. Zambuck, a burn shield, some steri strips, Allergex eye drops, and some bandages, and of course some gloves just in case somebody's bleeding. You want to protect yourself from whatever. Some surgical gloves there. Then over to this side, toiletries, we've got sunblock on a rub-on, some little sachets, toothpaste, body lotion. We've got a little bar of soap. We share a toothbrush. We've been married for 26 years plus. Then we've got a little towel which looks like this. This is the little towel. That's what we're going to dry ourselves with, and it fits into that little bag there like that. Microfiber towels. Deodorant we share. It's men's deodorant. Jess doesn't mind using men's deodorant. Lip ice, which is for Jess. I don't use that. Some earbuds. A face cloth, nice light. This is an old army face cloth, light face cloth. Bushman Plus, which is our insect repellent for ticks, mozzies, leeches, whatever may be out there. Then I've got shampoo, and Jess has got dry shampoo. I don't like dry shampoo. I just decant some normal shampoo into a little bottle like this, and some good old white gold. Make sure you don't forget this. And the medical stuff we're sharing with a couple that are going with us, so we haven't got everything there, but we told them what we have and they're going to take the balance. So as it is with toiletries and medicals, that's for the Fish River hike. Okay, so the last one on the list is the food, snacks and the food for the 5 days. And Jess has packed us 5 bags of food. Each one of them is marked day 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we're not going to share everything with you that we're eating or drinking, but in each pack there's a cappuccino and a Milo for each day. There's Prenutro that has been pre-packed with sugar and powder milk, so all you have to do is put that into a pot or a cup, mix it up and eat it. And there's a whole bunch of other stuff inside here which we'll share some of that with you when we're on the trip. Our snacks, this is my snacks for the 2 days. Inside my snacks is a couple of chocolates, peanuts and raisins, jelly babies, some smarkles, some of these, I don't know what they call those. It's Indian snacks. Lovely stuff. Some wine gums. Jess's snacks, there's probably half of Checkers inside there. She's got Eat Some Mores and energy bars, biltong and extra fruit. I don't know where she's going to put this all, but and then we've got some game that we drink during the day. This is not all the game we're going to take. We're going to take 1 pack per day. I've also got a little bit of biltong to take with, the favorite part. And and that's it. This all weighs 4.6 kilograms. All the snacks and the food together is 4.6 kilograms. So it's almost a kilogram a day of food. And then a little bit of a special treat is some dry red wine in this bag over here for at the end of every day, just for a little bit of a reward for the hard work that's been done. And so we look forward to letting you guys know how it went. Once we finish bushwhacking the Fish River Canyon, we'll send you another video and an update on what we've done and what we've eaten. So until then, we'll see you guys soon.